In this video, I am going to tell you how to increase or decrease system sound on Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or Watch 6 Classic. So welcome to another video of tech. So to increase or decrease system sound, first you need to open settings application. So for that, swipe up on your home screen of your watch. Now scroll down. Open settings application. Scroll down. Tap on sounds and vibration. Scroll down. And here is the option system sound. Click on it. And here is the option system sound volume. Tap on it. And from here you can increase or decrease system sound on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So in this way you can increase or decrease system sound. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechSource.